So we're here in Toronto, we're talking to Canadians, we're trying to hear what they have to say about taxes on alcohol. If someone were to come up to you on the street and ask you how much of the price of, let's say, a bottle of whiskey is government tax, how much do you think the right number is?
40% it's government tax.
Like 20%?
About 10.
10%?
10%.
20-30% tax maybe?
About 20%?
13%.
I would assume that it was the standard tax price that we pay on everything else.
Would you be surprised to hear it's actually 80%?
Are you fucking serious?
What?
Wow, like that's really too bad.
I did not know that.
Well, it's kind of outrageous because I know I can go to the States and get it cheaper and bring it back home.
That's not fair.
That seems unfair and a little bit ridiculous.
Can we have cheaper whiskey, please?
Did you know that Canadians, for the same case of beer, pay 5 times more on taxes than consumers in the United States?
No, I had no clue about that either.
That's insane.
Didn't know that. I know people go to the States to buy alcohol because it's cheaper.
Even against other provinces, we are paying more.
Yeah.
And Ontario anyway. The beer's cheaper in Quebec.
I don't get it. I really don't get it.
These guys have been getting too rich for a very long time, and it's disgusting.
Are you aware of the escalator tax, which was passed at the federal level?
No.
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 So the escalator tax is a tax that the federal government has passed that will actually increase taxes on all alcohol products, spirits, beer, and wine, every year on April 1st forever.
No, I did not know that. It makes sense, April Fool's Day.
Give us some give and take here, because right now I ain't got nothing left in my pockets.
Yeah.
I think that's terrible. I think that's terrible. I mean,
Oh, wow.
You're kidding.
I'm not for that at all.
But I'm not sure I understand why, because if you look at it, it's a lot of money going into their pocket as it is already, right?
What are your thoughts about the escalator tax or about just taxation on beer, wine, and spirits in general?
I think it's horrible. I mean, obviously we have to pay taxes, so that's fine, but I think that's crazy.
And it's a good way to get money for the government, but it has to be a balance. It looks like they've crossed the balance, and right now it's really high and really expensive.
I think people don't ask. I think they're just oblivious to a lot of what we pay.
Yeah.
And the general public should say something. Those people that actually enjoy it.
Yes, it should be there, but it should be proportional.
Do you think we should repeal the escalator tax?
Yes.
I think we should stand up for our right, man.
Yes, it should be repealed. I think we pay too much tax on a lot of things.
People have to enjoy life a little bit, right? Because we're taxed everywhere else, like to the neck.
Well, I think we should get rid of it if we're already paying 80%.